How to make your Threads profile private. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Threads on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on two lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on the two lines, in here you'll find different options. Click on Privacy. After you have clicked on Privacy, in here click on Private Profile. Then press on OK. It will switch to Private Account, and as you can see, my Threads account is private now. Make sure the circle is on the right side. And this is how to make your Threads account profile private. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.